Here we come to the elevator by JCPenney at a Memorial City Mall parking garage in Houston, Texas. It's a Schindler. See how well this thing runs. Oh, there goes that. That messed up chime. I might go for one more ride. Runs a lot better the second trip. Here's your phone. We'll head back down to one end there. This is an updated take on this elevator here. It's exactly like the one by Macy's, and there's one more which is by Dillard's. Hopefully it's not broken, so I can get that one as well along the way. As you notice on the third floor, when the lantern chimes, the electronic chime box just keeps on humming. All right, we'll go ahead and watch it close. There it goes, and that's it.